welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming for you a spring haul, which right now in Illinois, it's kind of a rough spring, but you know, I've been trying to get some brighter pieces and stuff. Not everything in here is bright, not even gonna lie, 'cause I'm not a bright colored person. I wear olive green, for heaven's sake. And then this bright here. Video coming soon. But yeah, I went shopping, wanted to show you guys some stuff. I've kind of been buying like spring / still wintry fall stuff, because our weather has been like, it dropped down to 20s because we got like inches of snow for no reason. It's almost April. And then now it's up to the 40s, going back up to the 50s. So it's kind of a mixture of like long sleeves and some short sleeve stuff. So yeah, I'll show you the items and stop talking so much and let's get right into it. So first I'm going to show you 3 pieces that I got from PacSun. Or sorry, 2 pieces. And the first thing, I don't remember if I've already showed these, but I got this shirt from the men's section. It's really wrinkled. It's just a button-up shirt with the flames. I only got this because of Tyler. Not even gonna lie. And then the next thing I got, and it's inside out, but this is long sleeve, a green top. You know, green is my lifestyle color. I mean, it's usually olive, but I like this forest green. It's a deep V. It's not a crop top, but it sits like right at your hips. And I don't know, it just looks very flattering. Yeah, my boobs look nice, you know. Yeah, whatever. So then next I'm gonna go over to Apricot. Again, from the men's section. I got some t-shirts. They're all like, I don't want to say basics, but yeah, I guess you could say basics, except I got the pattern. This one is like a palm leaf pattern, gray and white mixed together. And then I got the same one in the same style in 2 different colors. I got it in this pink color, you know, spring. And then I also got it in another gray color, which this one was my favorite. It's like tie-dye, kind of. Or like it's gray with a pocket. I never like how gray looks on me, but this looks good. Next, I'm going to show you H&M. And the first things are these jeans, which I really love H&M jeans. These are their high-rise, I think it's just the high-rise skinny. I wear a size 30 in pants for reference. The only thing I don't like is that the bottom aren't all the way skinny, but most of the time I wear boots. And if I don't wear boots, I just cover them anyway. So yeah, I got it in black. And then I also got it in this blue color, which I think this is, no, they're still the high-rise skinny, size 30. And I like that the pockets are plain and they stay up pretty well, but I do have a smaller waist and bigger butt, so I could never find jeans that fit me perfectly in the waist and the butt anyway. And then I got this top. I've probably shown this already, but I'm going to show it again. It's baby pink with a little knot in the middle. It looks so cute. Like, I wore it with black jeans from H&M, this picture. Yeah, I like it. And then here's what I call my fake fan jacket, because funny story about this. I was shopping, grocery shopping, and I'm wearing this jacket, and this guy goes, "Like your jacket," and I'm just like, "Oh, thanks." And then he proceeds to have a conversation with me about how this jacket is a Misfits jacket, how they're going on tour and all this other stuff, and I was just like, "Sorry, sir, but I'm not a real fan. I just bought this because it was on sale." Like, I paid $15 for this jacket out of the men's section, of course. But yeah, the front, it just says Misfits like that. It's a bomber style. And the back has like this dope skull with Misfits underneath it. I liked how it looked. Not everybody likes how skulls look, but I do. So the next items are from Dry Goods. Now I only got 2 things. This store, not even gonna lie, it's a little expensive, but I have expensive taste, so when I got paid, I was like, yeah, let's get it. So I have this one-piece jumpsuit, but on me, I think it's supposed to be full length, but on me it goes to my ankles, which it didn't look bad either way. Insert a picture. I'm going to try to do a try on part, But if I don't get around to filming that, I'll just have pictures, because I took pictures in almost all these. But yeah, this one sits off the shoulder. It just looked really flattering on me. And then next, from Dry Goods, off the shoulder romper. But it's shorts, of course. Floral print. All I wear is like floral print stuff in the summertime. I'm glad that I found this black and white one, but you know, this is kind of back to my true self. And then the last few clothing pieces are from Boohoo. And I have like 4 different things. I had a 5th one, but I gave it to my friend. It was like this mustard yellow dress, and it's like off the shoulder. There's like a slit on the leg. It was made for a short person. Like literally I put it on and all these shawless, vagina, like. So I had to get rid of that one. But the items that I did keep is this blue off the shoulder. It cinches in the top. Problem that I had with this, usually when I wear off the shoulder tops, I don't wear a bra with it, but this one, it literally stopped like right here. And thank goodness I did have on a strapless bra, because anytime I raise up my arms, like it starts to peek out the bottom. So I probably could have like untied it a little bit, but I recommend going a size up if you want it to be a little bit longer. If you don't want it to be longer, go with your normal size. I think I got this in like a medium. Oh, a US size 6, UK 10. And then I got this tube dress, which not usually my style, but I was feeling it. I was looking at pictures of models and I was like, yes, she's popping. So I got it in my lifestyle color, olive green. It's midi length on me actually, which I was surprised. And yeah, it's cute. And then I got this 2-piece set, which don't know when I'm gonna wear this. I probably won't even wear this whole thing together because it's kind of too much, but it's the mini skirt with the crop top, and I was thinking of wearing like the crop top with like those high-waisted, just the denim jeans from H&M, and it's a look. So yeah, I think I got most of this stuff on sale, so that's why I was just like, let's just try it. Like this item, let's just try it. This is an interesting one. Like, it's so cute on the model, but my issue was it kind of sits too wide. It was just like, as Patricia says, nip to the wind. Patricia Bright, if you watch her videos. But literally, I'm gonna buy fashion tape and see if it works. Like, you know, to just sit it right there or whatever. But I haven't gotten to wear this yet, and it's so cute. And the last item that I got is a pair of shoes, and I got them from Apricot Lane Boutique. All the Apricot lanes, I'm pretty sure the franchises, well, at least ours is. And so they don't always carry the same things. But came across this pair of ankle boots. It's very country style with these buckles, which isn't me, but I said, forget it, I'm throwing the leopard print. I love ankle boots, why not? And these are really loud, like when I walk all I hear is cling, 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 cling. But yeah, I wore these with, I think I wore like a simple outfit, like black jeans. That wear with that blue top? I don't know what top, but yeah. They're really fun. Pop of color, pop of pattern, honestly. So yeah, that's my interesting purchase of the last few months. So thank you so much for watching this haul today, guys. Comment below if there's any specific stores that you want me to do hauls from. Because I see a lot of the, oh, I spent $300 at Fashion Nova, like reviewing it and stuff. So I'm wondering if I should do a video like that. So comment below if that's something you guys would like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.